Hi, it's Kelly, your AI coach from Ferret Software. Today I want to show you how easy it is to split line items in FactWeb. Please note this can only be done in the web app. If you need to split line items to charge to different GL codes, you can easily do this in FactWeb. Find the invoice, highlight the line item you wish to split, and right-click. You have the option to split by percentage or split. If splitting by percentage, you simply double-click in the percentage box and amend the percentage to what you require. If you need to do this multiple times, you can. If there are multiple of the item ordered, you can also split by the quantity and the percentage will update accordingly. Back on the main screen, you can now amend the GL code where required. The other option is to use the split option. This will create an additional line, and here you can amend the GL code and quantity. You may sometimes have a rounding issue, which will be noted in red text where the calculated and extracted amounts do not match. You will need to manually adjust this to ensure the values match. That's it for this video. Please check out our other videos for helpful tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please reach out to the support team at helpdesk@ferretsoftware.co.nz. Thank you!